attractive as well. This is an original bodied car, repainted in its original from the factory color. Yeah, you're basically looking at
rubber cars.
It was originally built in terms of color and equipment.
Gorgeous.
Also not overly fabric. This is very complimentary.
Okay. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, how you doing? We're in a place called The Room at MECUM Auction in Kissimmee, and this is the really best of the best cars that are going to be going up for auction. We have a 1966 Ford GT40 MK1 road car, number 1034, the first road car delivered to a private customer of one of only 31 produced in 1966. So this was the first road car Ford GT40. So all the others were race cars. This was the first one that was actually a road car that somebody could have. Notice it's right-hand drive. It's a dark green color. It is a beautiful car. Absolutely stunning. Rarely seen. So first road car delivered to a private customer, one of only 31 ever made, 1966. Now I don't know if you can see me, they've already pulled a Shelby GT350 fastback. We're gonna go up here and look at this Shelby 289 Cobra Roadster. CSX 2242 matching numbers drivetrain. All these are $1 million cars. All these are super rare cars. None of these should actually even exist, but they do. Every one of them is very well known. What a beautiful car. Let's go over here. 1963 Shelby 289 Cobra Roadster, CSX 2105. Very early production 289 Cobra. This has been restored. If you notice on the body, it's got the wheel wells in it. This is was not a race car. This was just one that was supposed to be driven on the street. It does not have the extended fenders. If you look at last year when we were here, there was a couple of them here that had extended fenders, widened body. If you look at the grille, it's only got 2,051 miles on it. This is going to be $1.2 to $1.5 million for this one. Shelby 427 Competition Cobra Roadster, CSX 3009. This is the famous Essex wire Cobra. It is arguably the winningest Cobra of all time. This has won more races than any other Cobra. It has only 214 miles on it. If you want to see what a $6 million car looks like, you're looking at it right here. $6 million car. This is a racing Cobra. It is the winningest racing Cobra. That is $6 million for this one right here. And then over here, Shelby factory stage 3 289 Cobra Dragon Snake. It's one of 5 factory built 289 Cobra Dragon Snakes. The only stage 3 factory built customer Dragon Snake with 289 CI 4-speed. Adams County Motors, Gettysburg, PA. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.